Happy New Year's, dude. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the new year. We're gonna go ahead and start the new year off right by going wheeling. You ready, Cardi? We are up in Buena Vista at Yensen Gulch. Today's exciting because it is the Hangover Run. If you guys are familiar, Crayfab holds this event every single year on New Year's Day, and it's gonna be a fun one. I'm running a little bit behind, and look at how packed out this parking lot is. I can already tell you it is going to be really hard to film stuff today. There's trucks everywhere, people on lines in every direction that you look, so might be a little random, but I'm going to film some cool stuff today. This shit. Ah. But you gassing it made you roll. So I knew it was gonna hurt. Yeah. It looked like it just unloaded it, but maybe gone. dude.
Start, you bitch!
Yep. Yeah, buddy. Driver. Yep. It's a little after 5 o'clock and we are officially off of the trail and back on pavement. I just finished getting some gas and I'm gonna head back to Denver. I'm extremely tired. It's been a very long day. But with that said, pretty crazy that we got off the trail by 5 o'clock, especially with how many rigs we had up there. We have done that trail so many times and it has taken twice as long with a group of 4 people. So pretty impressive. And I'm absolutely blown away that the third gen made it up the left side of the whale's tail. But anyways, yeah, once again, I'm a big advocate for getting out and just wheeling your truck. All of our IFS trucks kept up with all the rigs. Just goes to show you don't need much. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.